Good morning, students. Today we will start important portion of the mathematics standard 9, that is theorem. We know that theorem is not in reduced syllabus. Okay, theorem is not in reduced syllabus. In last period we have done one theorem from chapter 9, and today we will solve one of the theorem 6.1 from chapter 6. And what we know that vertically opposite angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Okay, but we don't know how to prove. But this theorem teach us how to prove this result. Vertically opposite angles are equal, that we have to prove. Okay, now see, this is the figure. AB line, CD line intersect each other at O such that four angles are made. Out of four, opposite angles means vertically opposite angle. This angle, double line mentioned, is the vertically opposite. Same thing, cross angle is also vertically opposite angle. Now we can name them. This angle means AOC and this angle means BOD, opposite angles, vertically opposite angles, and that we have proved equal. Same thing, cross mentioned. AOD BOC is also vertically opposite angle. Okay, now from the figure we can write first given, then to prove, and then prove. Given AB line and CD line intersect each other at O, then four angles are formed. Angle AOC, angle BOD. You can see in figure. Double symbolic mention. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. And angle AOD and BOC. AOD, BOC cross mention. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and these angles we have proved equal. Equal means now we have proved it. That is to prove. First, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. This result we have proved. Another, AOD equal to BOC, also vertically opposite angles. Out of two, we can give proof of only one. And second, we can accept similarly that we can prove. Now from the figure, angle AOC is this angle and angle AOD is adjacent angle. So this angle and these angles are adjacent and it is linear pair, because this ray is common and remaining two rays are opposite. So this angle and this angle is the linear pair. Adjacent angle is the linear pair. Okay, so we can write angle AOC and angle AOD are in linear pair. Now we know that linear pair angles are supplementary. Sum of the two angles is 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to 180. Linear pair angle, and these angles are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the two angles is 180 degree. Give it result number 1, which this angle and this angle. Now we can take this angle and this angle is also linear pair, because this common ray and these two rays are opposite. So this angle and this angle is linear pair. So angle AOD and angle BOD is also are in linear pair. And we know that linear pair angles are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the two angle is 180 degree. So angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree. Give it result number 2. One result and two result. Both are 180 degree. So we can equaling them. So these two will be cancelled. Then this portion and left side and left hand side equal. So equaling them, AOC plus AOD equal to AOD plus BOD. 180 will be equaling. Cancel. Now see, angle AOD and angle AOD both are equal. Can be cut or not?
Yes.
Someone say there is no minus, plus minus will be cut, and plus plus how cut? So see, suppose 3 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 5. Okay, so 2 will be cut or not? Cut. If not cut, then result will be same. Okay,
3 plus 2, 5.
3 equal to 2 minus 2 plus 5. Then 2 minus 2 will be, so 3 equal to 0 plus 5, then 3 equal to 5 plus 2 cut, then directly 3 equal to 5. Okay, so in this way we can cut both the side equaling part. AOD and AOD will be equal, cut, then remaining AOC equal to BOD, and this is our first result. See, AOD equal to BOD. Second result, similarly we can prove by taking this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle, linear pair. Okay, now understand very well, and now you can write in your notebook. It may be asked 4 marks in exam. Okay, now you can write in your notebook. Page number 94, axiom 6.2. Axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. Full stop. This axiom is called the linear pair axiom. Now don't speak. When the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then they are called a linear pair angle, a linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Okay, so we wrote the definition first. Linear pair of angle. Now, second definition from page number 91. Complementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angles. Write down. Page number 91 from the starting line number 4. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Next, supplementary. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angle. Now we are familiar of the acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. We know or not? But reflex angle we don't know. So write down reflex angle. New definition we can write. Reflex angles. New definition we can write. Reflex angle. Right now. Line number 3. An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle.